Good morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Our today's topic is private cloud and public cloud. In the last class, we had seen about cloud computing and advantages of cloud computing and disadvantages. Now, in today's class, we are going to study about private cloud and public cloud. A private cloud hosting solution, also known as internal and or enterprises cloud, resides on companies' internet or hosted data center where all the data is protected behind a firewall. This company is responsible for maintaining the data and providing the security. And in a public cloud, the data is stored in the provider's data center. The provider is responsible for the management and maintenance of data center. So this is the difference between private cloud and public cloud. So private cloud is was hosting solution which your data is secure for security purpose we are using, and public cloud is the data stores in the provider's data center. So there is not the provider is responsible for the management and maintenance of data center. So now Google Drive. Google Drive is one of the most popular programs which means using cloud technology. You can use Google Drive if you have a Google account. You can store your files securely and access them from any device using Google Drive, such as tablets or smartphones. One can upload and download and store files in different formats such as Word, Excel, photos, music, etc. So uploading files and folders in Google Drive. In Google Drive you can also work online with Google Word processor, Google Doc, spreadsheets, Google Sheets, and create presentation in Google Slides. These documents can be shared with other people who can edit, view, or comment on them. Google Drive can be used to convert Microsoft Office files into Google or formats. So we had seen this private and public cloud, Google Drive. So what it is, you can upload and file in Google Drive. So this is all the parts is from cloud computing only. If you are using a Google account, it means you are using an email, so you can do lot many things with the help of an email. You can store your data, you can upload photos and files in your drive, Google Drive, and you can store it. If you are storing in a Google Drive, then it is very easy to access anywhere your data, because if you are having internet, you can access your documents very easily because it is already stored in your Google Drive, and it is safe also. No one can access your Google Drive. If you are giving a password to anyone, then only that person can access your Google Drive. So you can store there n numbers of files are there because lot of memory Google Drive is having. So you can store your documents, you can store your top chapter. If you want to store any notes of any chapter of any topic, you can store in Google Drive, or you can upload photos, music, films, whatever you want to store in your Google Drive. Now, mobile technology. Mobile technology is the technology used for cellular communication, mobile code division, multiple accesses. CDMA technologies has evolved rapidly over the past few years. A standard mobile device has changed from being a simple two-way pager to being a mobile phone, GPS navigation device, an embedded web browser, an instant managing client, and a handheld gaming console. The future of computer technology rests in mobile computing with wireless networking. Mobile computing by way of tablet computers are being more popular. Tablets are available on the 3G and 4G network. So SMS, you can send SMS, that is short message service. SMS is the text messaging service components of mobile device. It uses standardized communication protocol which allow mobile device to exchange short text message. MMS means multimedia messaging service. MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content to and from a mobile phone over a cellular network. MMS is a popular way to share images, audios and videos content easily and quickly. MMS is a short and a forward method of transmitting graphics, video clips, sound files and short text message over wireless network using the WAP protocol. Now 3G, third generation. So 3G is the third generation of wireless mobile technology, telecommunications technology. The first 3G network introduced in 1998 after 2G. So 3G technology is used in wireless voice telephony, mobile internet access, wireless internet access, video calls and mobile television. 3G telecommunication network supports that provide a information transfer rate of at least 0.2 MB megabytes or seconds. Now fourth generation 4G. 4G is the fourth generation of broadband cellular network technology succeeding 3G. The 4G mobile network over 3G is that 4G network has much higher data transfer rate of increasing bandwidth. A 4G system enables mobile web access, IP telephony, gaming service, defined mobile television, video conferencing and 3D television. So we are using now 3G or 4G network so that we will get a network technology speed. For speed we are using a 4G in our mobile, so we can transfer our data very easily and speed. So children, chapter is completed. Your second chapter is also completed. In this chapter you have studied about the internet and how the 3G generation, 4G generation it works. So midterm portion I had given to you that you have to study chapter 1, 2 and 3. Now only 2 chapters is left for your course. So all the best for your exam. Prepare for your exam. If any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you children.